Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation to relieve stress. Start by sitting down on a chair or on the floor and just take some deep breaths in, breathing in through the nose and out through your mouth. Just settling in to our body and awareness. So notice as you're breathing, where do you feel the most stress in your body? Often we carry a lot of tension in our neck and in our shoulders, maybe even in our arms and hands. So quickly, in your own time, do a body scan, where you simply just notice, where do I feel tension? And simply by putting your awareness on it, you should be able to let it go. So let go of any tension in your face, in your jaw muscles, in your chin, in your throat, and on your neck, moving into the shoulders and down your arms, and into your hands and fingers, and up again towards the chest, your abdominals, your lower back, hips and bottom, your thigh muscles, your calf muscles, your ankles and your feet. Let go of any tension in your body. And now, as you're breathing, notice that for every breath you inhale, you're sinking deeper into relaxation, but still keeping your spine erect towards the ceiling. You can imagine having a string pulling you from your head towards the ceiling, just to keep your spine a little more aligned. And now, I want you to focus on any external sound you can hear. So any sound in the room, maybe it's outside. Whatever you can hear, listen to it. Try not to identify it, but just let it come in and pass by. And now, come back into your mind and just notice any thoughts you have. Observe them. Notice how's your mind today. If there's a lot of thoughts going on in your head, or maybe it's just still right now. Whatever you experience, it's totally fine. Just practice observing the thoughts. And if you find yourself wandering, don't judge it. Just notice it and come back to the breath while observing your thoughts again. If you find yourself wandering, just imagine that your thoughts are colors or clouds that are separate from you, and you're simply just watching them as they pass by. And now, just come back to your breath. Notice the rising and falling sensation of your belly, filling up the lungs with as much air as you can, without straining any muscles in the body. Your breathing should be silent. And really notice the sensation of the breath coming in through your nose, through your nostrils, traveling all the way down into your belly, and up again, either out through your mouth or out through your nose. Whatever you find most comfortable. Now you can even visualize counting numbers as you're breathing. So you inhale 1 and you exhale 2, inhale 3 and exhale 4, and you can count all the way up to 10, and when you reach 10, just start over again. And now finally, just come back to the body and feel if there's any tension left. Let go of any tension in your face, in your jaw muscles, on the back of your neck and on your head, all the way down through your shoulders and arms and hands, fingers, the chest and the abdominals, the hips and thighs, your lower back, your calf muscles and ankles and feet. And just do this quick body scan to relieve any remaining tension. And now, in your own time, gently start to move your fingers, your hands. Just start to stretch your body out a little bit. You can maybe do a few shoulder rolls. And just very gently, when you're ready, open your eyes. So, how do you feel right now? Just take some time to really observe your body and your mind, and really appreciate having taken the time to do this meditation to relieve your stress. I hope you have a wonderful day from now. This meditation is complete.